here.
We, as a company, are all standing here today because of Dieter's work as a co-inventor of the SLM process some 30 years ago. Now, what is truly remarkable to me is not just the brilliance of that initial development, but the passion, the drive, and the intensity to develop the technology to where it is today. And as you all know, Dieter is a wonderfully humble man, and he'll be the first to clarify that it's the work of many and not the work of one that delivers true progress. However, I can tell you with certainty that every team needs a solid rock as a foundation and consistent drive and intensity to achieve it. Dieter has been exactly that, developing the technology that brings us all where we are today. That is the world's best, biggest, and most trusted metal additive company, enabled since day one by the one and only true legend of this industry and this technology, Dieter.